Now, I'm sure most of you will agree that our mailbox is a repository of unwanted material. There can be credit card offers we're not interested in. There are campaign brochures of politicians we won't vote for. And there are catalogues for retailers we'll never do business with. But nothing matches this. Seeds. How would you react if you found a suspicious packet of seeds in your mailbox? Let me guess, all of you would find it odd. I would. Some of you will probably wonder if you ever ordered them and most likely throw them away. I would too. But if you're the curious kind, if you live for adventure or are generally bored and confined to your home and want to do something different, you might open the packet and use the seeds. Well, I suggest you don't, because these seeds of mystery could be from China, and they may contain harmful pathogens and insects. This warning has been issued by none other than the US government and their Department of Agriculture. Let me tell you why. At least 28 US states have reported these cases. 28 states. Cases of people receiving unsolicited packets of seeds, packets they never ordered or asked for or paid for. 28 states. This includes Alabama, Colorado, Florida, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Georgia, Nebraska, Nevada, Texas, and several other American states. The names are on your screen. Thousands of people in these states have spotted mystery seeds wrapped in envelopes at their doorsteps. And the cases, let me tell you, are not restricted to America. Similar cases have been reported in Britain and in Canada. Hundreds of gardeners in the UK have received deliveries they did not pay for, they did not ask for. So have the Canadians. They're receiving packages from sources they've never even heard of. So what are these seeds? What's their purpose? What do they contain? And who is sending them, most importantly? Well, at this point in time, there's not enough information about what these seeds are capable of. Officials in the US, Canada, and Britain do not know for sure whether they are part of a hoax, a prank, an internet scam, or an act of bioterrorism. Nothing's ruled out. But what they have agreed upon is the likely source of these seeds: China. Police officials across the US have reported spotting what they call Chinese characters on these packets of seeds. On your screen is a statement from the police department in Ohio. Allow me to quote. One of our residents received a package in the mail with Chinese writing and a return address in China. The package was labeled as containing jewelry, but was found to have a small bag of what appeared to be seeds. Similar packages have recently been delivered to various homes across the country. Now, here's the other side of the story, and we must tell it. In Belfast, Ireland, a woman has reported receiving seeds as early as June. She says the envelope she received was marked with Chinese characters, just like the American ones, but it had a return address in the Netherlands, in Europe, not in China. So here's the thing, the packets appear to be Chinese, but there's no concrete proof of their source, not yet. There are only accounts of people who have received them and warnings from the authorities. The authorities investigating the matter are yet to establish a direct link to China. That's something they suspect. The Chinese Foreign Ministry is aware of this fact, and it is using this fact in its defense. Listen to what they are saying.
After verification, China Post confirmed that the China Post waybills on these parcels were counterfeit, and there were many errors in the layout and information items of the waybills. China Post has dealt with US Post to return these forged mails to China so that China can investigate.
China wants the seeds. Let us investigate, it says. Thanks, but no thanks. The world cannot afford another compromised investigation in another potential bio-warfare case. The mystery behind the Wuhan virus is yet to be solved, and the proof is already mounting. China is not helping. So Chinese or not, here is the thing to remember, and listen to this carefully. There are no free seeds. If you receive a packet of seeds you did not order, do not use it. It is still 2020. A lot could still go wrong.